For Siberia, we're going to emphasize the last two letters in the word and say Siberia is in Russia. And for Russia, you can remember it because it's right here. The Ural Mountains are in it, and the Ural Mountains are at the end of Europe, and they start with UR. And if you turn around the U and R, it's RU for Russia. Or you can remember it whenever we learn these countries up here, we're going to say NSFR, which is no soup for Russia, which is Norway, Sweden, Finland, Russia. Or you could also tie it with its capital, which is Moscow. So if you just picture a cow that has moss on its back, and you're going to use a brush to brush off the moss, but instead of just saying brush, you're going to say brusha. So I'm going to brusha the moss off the cow. And then for Ukraine, we're going to use a picture of a construction crane, which looks like this. And see how it has two tires down here that are kind of like feet, and then it has a little cab for the driver, and then it has this long crane that sticks out. If you look at the map of Ukraine, you can see that it has this hump in the middle, which is kind of like the cab for the driver, and it's got this long area, kind of like the part of the crane that sticks out, and then the two tires would be these two little feet that are down here. So that would be your thought for the Ukraine. And then the Kiev, the capital, you could just say Kiev is the key that you need to put in the ignition to drive the crane. So Kiev, Ukraine is a key that you need to drive a construction crane.